everyone, and today guys, we are going to the downtown, which is the mall. Pagkatapos lang namin kumain ng lunch, so this time, dadaanan namin yung bag kasi nakalimutan doon sa Filipino or sa hotpot na kainan. Just Filipino food. So we went there yesterday and today we're coming back for the bag. So we come back here guys and look at the site also. So yeah, after this, we are going back to Manok-Manok to witness the reklamo because of the sounds, music every night. Nakalimutan yung bag na to. So, bumalik ako and then I find this in the seat which is very close to me. So here, then we're still working in this area. We proceed right here. Look at this. That area. So it's gonna be hammering noisy until later afternoon, maybe 4 or 5. Ano yung mga nabili namin for 2 days. So first, we got this 5 pieces for 100 and meron na bonus na isa. Then we have 2 milk. Then we have pork. I mean this is chicken, pero hindi siya pork. Hi people! So, ayun, dumating kami mga nasa 3 kanina pumunta kami ng barangay. So, meron kasi guys na nag-complain against sa dito, owner dito. So, we have to be there to witness. And then, after that, we get our lunch as always in the beach. And then, we go back kasi meron sila kanina na emergency or something, kailangan nila napuntahan. So, ay bumalik kami mga nasa 2 and ayun, naayos naman siya. So, they're going to make another schedule kung meron na siyang development o wala. Tingnan natin guys yung niluluto. Kakain na tayo mamaya-maya guys kasi patapos na yung niluluto na manok. Isa sa pinakapaborito ko. And sabi ko gusto ko yung crunchy na toasted halo. So yeah, let's see. I'm going to show you guys later after it. Okay guys, so I'm now watching this movie. This titled Faster. So I'm going to show you guys over here. So 11:10 guys, and today we are going to shower. So It's very late. It's not late. It's actually lunch time already. But we had this lazy morning. So today I'm going to shower and we're gonna go later again to the beach to do something, to go for lunch and for a walk to go for beach. So let's take a shower now. Good morning everyone, it's 12:29 guys, and today we are going upstairs because I have to get some of my clothes that I washed yesterday. So here in this area they are doing this guys, they are fixing, they are renovating, they are putting this one, look at that, the ceiling because of the rainy season that's coming and the water going here inside, and you can see the leak in this area. So they are doing that. They started to do this 3 days ago, I think. So they started in the side, which is on the left side first, and then turn around and they are in here. That's why they have that bamboos and some other tools. Okay, at this time I'm gonna check my clothes if it's already dry. I haven't checked it earlier because I was too busy. So everything is falling already. I can see it here. But anyways, let's get it. Hopefully I don't need to wash it again and it was not dirty like is what I'm thinking right now. Anyways, here it is. They are dry. The 2 towels and my cycling fell out, but this other, like this shirt is still fine. Actually I washed this towel from yesterday guys. This is face towel. Actually we bought this yesterday in the what's this called, in the barangay of Manok Manok. So somebody there is selling on the street and she said that we are the first one who bought a face towel. That's why it cost 5 pieces for 100 pesos, and he gave us 1 piece because I asked for, you know, for what's this called, paaman. So paaman is, you know, to add some. Okay, and of course these are all my t-shirts. But anyways, we save. When you saw this or when we see this in the beach, it will cost 115, 120 each piece, which is funny because when you went to my town, it will cost also different, which is more cheaper compared here. But this 6 pieces is better than buying 150 per piece. So yeah, I already prepared myself anyway for today. We're going to eat lunch later, and you know, the daily routine, walking on the beach, meeting people, talking there, watching the beach. And also for the weather guys, it's cloudy actually, and I'm thinking that anytime soon it will rain. I'm not really sure in the beach side because we have to ride in each ride for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something like that. So anyway, let's go downstairs and wait. I see one of Kimpit. Maybe this is still working. Okay, it's not working anymore. I think that it's working, so I can, you know, I can get it and use it for myself. But anyway, let's go downstairs and let's continue watching this movie called Naked Singularity. It was a good movie guys because it was my first time to watch that, but I didn't what's this called, focusing. I don't focus for watching it. So let's see and let's continue, so we will know the end. Okay. Look at that. our pizza, and today we are going to Talipapa. We are going to buy some meat chicken for our dinner. So it's actually very good lunch with the drinks, which is my favorite, the carrot with apple. So this time we're gonna go there, guys. Let's wait. Chicken and meat and egg.